Asian stocks stumbled at the open today following a tough day on Wall Street as uncertainty over Donald Trump's trade policies roiled markets and traders awaited key U.S. jobs data. Major indices in Asia were in the red despite Trump's move.
Thomas was also sleeping in the unheated garage in 19-degree weather. DA Ray Tierney says teachers at the elementary school was thousands of calls. Altogether, there were 11 reports made,
which are due to take effect next week. Japan's Nikkei index dropped more than 1.5% at the open, while shares in South Korea and Australia also fell more than 1%. Chinese markets, which had been riding a wave of stimulus-induced optimism, were mostly flat. On Wall Street, the New York Dow was down 1.0%, closing at 42,579.08, and London FTSE 100 was also down 0.8% to close at 8,682.84.
Is the tour company out of Seattle or something? Is the tour company out of Seattle or something?
Don't hit us.
What the? Ai đi xích nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ?
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
मर्जी करने वाला भाई लंबा रास्ता आ जाता बाकी है नहीं तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक डाउन लगी नहीं बच गया
Walaikum salam and thank you very much for Hazan. The next news will be the news bulletin at 9 p.m.
There lies a long shadow.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй. Oh!
Split.
Блять, сука!
Also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
Probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. That might take a little longer from my location. But no. Essentially, okay.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route. Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Well, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Take a play home.
That was Peter Andre with Mysterious Girl. Coming up next, we've got Marco Armstrong, Paint My Love.
One reckless move, 3 battered vehicles, and a scene that could have been much worse. It's unclear whether the Tesla's driver acted quickly or if the car's automated system detected the danger and avoided the crash. In a twist of irony, the rescuers became the ones needing help. This was the accident of the day in southwest Moscow.